Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great today. This is my very first video on YouTube, and in this video I'd like to show you how to paint geodes with acrylic paint. I did mine on a cookie container, but you can do them on pretty much anything you like. It's just a very nice way you can add an expensive touch to containers with labels. I just think the labels kind of make them look cheap and interfere with the colors and themes you have going on in a room or place. Well, hence mine is a black, gray, white, and gold geode. I only needed 3 colors. The colors I used are from dollar stores and Walmart. Just thought the runny consistency worked better for me. I also used black spray paint, but it can be totally optional. A flat brush is probably the best choice, and last but not least, I'll link down some of the exact or similar brushes and paints that I use. I am a beginner, so constructive criticism is completely welcome. So to begin, I painted my entire cookie container off screen with black spray paint. If you don't have black spray paint, you can use black acrylic paint. I went with 2 coats just for the extra coverage. I would let it sit for at least 4 to 5 hours so the black doesn't interfere with the geodes I'm painting. When the black is completely dry, I started mixing different gray shades. As you can see, I wasn't following any shapes in the beginning, and then I started changing it towards a half circle or more like a half oval. You can follow any pattern, let's say from light gray to dark gray, or you can pretty much ace it sporadically. Notice how my brush strokes are. I tried to go from dark to light first, but I ended up adding randomly mostly. Notice the layers, you don't want them to blend in with each other, but keep the harsh lines. I wasn't sure what I was doing with the first one that I painted, but I do like the way it ended up looking like. For the lid, I am so sorry the camera wasn't positioned right. I left the center for the gold and started with a dark gray. Then I did a lighter gray, moving on to a much lighter shade almost close to white. It will really create the contrast I'm trying to achieve here. Then I did a really thin line of gold, followed by a medium dark shade of gray, followed by a darker gray, and ending it with another thin line of gold. I did pretty much the same thing with all of them except the first one that I told you about. I did it kind of randomly. Thank you so much for watching. I am extremely sorry for the messy work environment and the messy palette. I usually use my disposable palettes, but I couldn't find it today. I realized by the end of this video that compared to the resin geodes, this was more of a geode inspired painting than geode itself. You can make it more 3D if you want by adding beads or crystals. There are definitely other techniques to do geodes. I think they're beautiful stones. And lastly, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much.